Alright people, good morning, good afternoon and good evening depending on how this video or when this video is reaching you. My name is Bale Promise, CEO Promise Records. I'm back again with a simple tutorial, a very quick one on how to pan your backing vocals. And of course, without wasting too much time, I'm going to explain one or two things. People have different school of thoughts and different pattern of panning of their vocals. The most important thing in a mix is the outcome. I always tell my boys and my people that the outcome of everything matters a lot. It doesn't matter whether you take it to the right or take it to the left. So long you are panning your vocals properly and everything can be well selected, will not be hidden in the mix. That is panning. The arrangement of the choir gives you a clue on how music is supposed to be mixed and panned. There's no way you can have everyone stand on the same spot. It's not possible. All right. Now I will play this project without panning. This is without panning. Listen.
So that be rare, oh, who is like you? Eledumare, oh, you deserve it.
Very good. Now you can see the way it's sounding. It is enclosed, and one of the effects of this is the other instrument will begin to fight with the vocals, and sometimes you will be unable to hear the backing vocals properly because they are not properly spread out. So let's do the panning. I do multiple takes. If I'm doing a gospel track, I do multiple takes. Okay, this is of course you can differentiate the project by their color. The one on the orange is a soprano, the one on the yellow is alto, and the one on the blue is a tenor. So I'll start from the first one. Of course, I'm going to solo the first one.
So that be rare.
So I'll take it left by 85%. The next, I'll take it left by 80%. I'll do a difference of 5. I'll take the third one to 75%. I'll pause there. I'll go back over to the alto. I'll take it to the right 85%. The next, I'll take it to the right 80%. And the next, I'll take it to the right 75%. Now let's see how it goes.
So that be rare, oh, who is like you?
Okay, all right.
So that be rare, oh.
That's the soprano pan to the left.
So that be rare, oh.
I feel the alto has more presence at the left hand side, so I'm going to take it down a bit.
So that be rare.
And of course, if you are working with this, I will advise you to work with your headphones on, or if you are listening to this, so that you can properly get what we are talking about. All right, I haven't done that. I'll go back to the soprano. If you can see, soprano is at the left, 5%, 80%, 75%. I will take the next soprano to the right by 70% and 65% to the right. Then I'll go back to the alto. Of course, we stopped at 75% to right at the alto. Then we take it back to the left. I will take by 70% to the left, vocals 5. Then the last one, I will take it to 70%, 65% rather, to the left. So we have 70, 65. So here we have 85 right for the alto, 80 right, 75 right. Then the remaining two, 70 right, 70 left, and 65 left. I did the same for the soprano. Soprano, 85 left, 80 left, 75 left. Then the fourth one, I took it to the right by 70% and by 65%. Someone will ask, why are you doing that? Of course, I want a bit of a touch of the other harmony to appear on the other part of the mix. So therefore, I'll go back to the tenor. I will take it. We stopped at 55, 65. So I will take it left to 60%, 60% left, and 60% right. So let's play the entire focus.
So that be rare,
Yeah.
oh, who is like you?
Wow.
Eledumare, oh, you deserve it.
All right. So this is how I do my panning, and of course for the tenor, you can see I left 4 of them at the center of the mix. You can check my previous tutorial on how to mix. So this is how I do my panning vocals. If this has been helpful to you, please, I beg you, subscribe to our channel, and the Lord will bless you. And also don't forget to click the notification bell to get notified, because when we drop any updates on our channel. God bless you. I remember the promise. God bless you for listening. Thank you. See you around.
So that be